Ladies and gentlemen, today we are looking at the 1948 Westcraft Sequoia Travel trailer, a rolling piece of post-war American optimism that says, yes, we survived the 1940s, and now we deserve a bedroom on wheels with 10 cabin windows. This is not just a camper. This is a 25-foot or 8-meter aluminum vacation machine from the era when people still dressed nicely to sit beside a lake and argue with a folding chair. And before we hitch this beauty to history, please subscribe to Campavto, because every subscription helps keep this channel alive, warm, and slightly less confused than a politician explaining fuel prices. Westcraft was introduced in 1932 in Los Angeles, California, by the George Hall Company. Interestingly, this company did not begin as a romantic camping dream from a man staring at mountains with coffee in his hand. No, Westcraft grew out of a business connected with butane heaters and trailer distribution. The Sequoia belonged to the high-quality side of the trailer world. Unlike many basic trailers that simply tried to provide shelter, Westcraft aimed for luxury. Its shape had a slight railcar feeling, because in the 1930s and 1940s, there were not many travel trailer design traditions to copy. That made the trailer feel modern, strong, and elegant for its time. By 1948, America was moving into the post-war travel boom. People wanted mobility, comfort, and freedom. Soldiers had returned, highways were improving, and families were dreaming about weekends away from the city. The Westcraft Sequoia fit that mood beautifully. This particular 1948 Sequoia is a dual-axle travel trailer, measuring 25 feet, or 8 meters, and weighing about 4,600 pounds, which is approximately 2,087 kilograms. That is not a tiny weekend toy. That is a serious trailer, the kind that politely reminds your tow vehicle to start praying before a downhill road. The exterior of this Sequoia has been repainted in a two-tone green and white finish. It has 10 cabin windows, plus a 10-window clerestory roof, which means the upper roof section brings light into the cabin, like a small mobile chapel for people who worship road trips. There are 2 entry doors, which is very practical, especially because the bedroom has its own dedicated door. During refurbishment, the previous owner reportedly installed new insulation and replaced the wiring, plumbing, flooring, and interior wood paneling. The trailer now includes cable TV, 30-amp electrical service, a replaced propane regulator, propane selector valve, shore hookups, and a replaced trailering harness. It also has a power-operated tongue jack, which is exactly the kind of modern convenience that makes a vintage trailer owner smile before discovering 6 other things still need work. The rear lounge includes corner seating, underseat storage, a portable folding dinette table, and overhead reading lights. The trailer can connect to shore water and grid systems, but it also has self-sufficient features, thanks to water tanks and a battery-backed electrical system. Its electrical equipment includes a 110-volt breaker panel, an IntelliPower converter and charger, and a deep-cycle house battery. The kitchen is still unfinished. Storage cabinets are present, and some appliance spaces are prepared, but there is no sink, faucet, gas cooktop, or refrigerator installed. The bathroom has a copper sink and space for a faucet, while the toilet is not installed, though the room is configured for a composting toilet. Across the hall, the shower room has plumbing hookups and a ceiling vent, but it also remains unfinished. The bedroom includes a full-size bed, 2 built-in nightstands, reading lights, electrical outlets, and underbed storage. The design philosophy of the 1948 Westcraft Sequoia is simple: make travel feel civilized. The aircraft-style aluminum body gave Westcraft trailers a refined, durable identity, while the clerestory roof made the cabin brighter and more open than many competitors. This was not just transportation. It was a small private world on wheels. It glides into your imagination politely, like an old hotel lobby that learned how to roll. The two-tone green and white paint on this example may not be factory perfect, and the interior has lost some of its original Westcraft personality, but the bones are still there. 10 cabin windows, 10 clerestory windows, 2 entry doors, birch paneling, rear lounge, full-size bed, storage everywhere. It still has that elegant let's disappear for the weekend spirit. Compared with Airstream, Westcraft feels rarer and more boutique. Airstream became the famous silver celebrity of the trailer world, while Westcraft became the sophisticated cousin who appears at a party once every 10 years and somehow owns better furniture than everyone else. Westcraft trailers were among the more luxurious American travel trailers of their time, and that is why well-restored examples can sell for serious six-figure money today. But this Sequoia is different. On the market today, this trailer sits in a strange but interesting place. It is rare, attractive, and historically important, but not fully original and not fully completed. For collectors, originality matters. For dreamers, potential matters. For toxic neighbors, the only thing that matters is telling you they would have bought it cheaper in 1987. Bob, of course, would refuse to bid because he believes a 10-window roof is surveillance-friendly architecture. Still, we should be fair to this Sequoia. It has already received major refurbishment work. Insulation, wiring, plumbing, flooring, paneling, shore hookups, propane parts, and trailering harness were replaced. It has a 30-amp electrical service, 110-volt breaker panel, converter and charger, deep-cycle house battery, and prepared systems for water and bathroom use. The unfinished areas are not small details, but they are clear projects. A crafty owner could complete the kitchen, install the missing fixtures, finish the shower, add the composting toilet, and bring this trailer much closer to its potential. And now, because prices are like politicians, everyone wants the truth, but nobody enjoys hearing the full number. Here is what we can say from the provided information only. The original 1948 selling price is not confirmed in the supplied material, so we will not invent one. Properly restored Westcraft trailers can bring six-figure sums, but no exact highest verified auction sale or reliable average price was provided here. So we leave those figures open, rather than decorate the truth with shiny nonsense. In the end, the 1948 Westcraft Sequoia is not perfect, but it is deeply lovable. It is a rare post-war American travel trailer with aircraft-style aluminum construction, generous windows, a clever layout, and a soul big enough to make a modern camper look emotionally unavailable. It needs finishing, care, and probably a patient owner who knows the difference between restoration and panic. Big thanks to the sponsors of our Campavto channel, the brave people who support us so we can keep talking about vintage machines instead of becoming motivational speakers in cheap suits. May your trailer never leak, your battery never die, and may Timmy never offer to improve your plumbing after midnight.